It's the birthday and we are about to go get Bentley and then the day really starts. So let's go get them. I got Bentley the pink marshmallow. Is it good? I got sugar cookie cream cold brew from Starbucks. This is actually so good. I've already drank like half of it. And then we got 2 cake pops. I don't know what kind those are, but I know these ones are vanilla, so I'm excited to try them. Okay, let's try them. I'm gonna try the vanilla first. This is the caramel flavor and it's so good. Like I literally should have got 2. I thought I'd show you guys in here. My camera battery died, so that's charging, so I have to use the phone right now. But I got this outfit for my birthday and I absolutely love it. It says Playboy and then there's like a little Playboy bunny right there. Absolutely love this and I love the color. Because you already know I love pink. I have to get ready because we're going to Walmart and I have to do some Christmas shopping. Actually, I have to do a lot of Christmas shopping. I literally have to do Christmas shopping for everybody, but I already know what I'm getting some people. I don't know. I'll take you guys along with me. I'll make a separate video out of it. It'll be hopefully a blast. Don't mind the mess in the background. I have to clean my room, but we don't talk about that right now. Just dump it all out. Literally. And we get to use the new makeup brushes. Okay, I need some water, like. Well, I'm gonna use both of these actually. I just don't know which one to use first. Do I use the Refine Pores one or the Hydrate first? I'm gonna use this, yeah. I'm using this one first after all that. Luckily, I got this. Okay, well, too bad I couldn't play music. I want to play music. I can't play music. I wonder what kind of music you're gonna like one day, Bentley. I know you like Right Foot Creep and Dance Monkey. So I think you'll like similar songs to what I like. I don't even know if I used both of those, but if I didn't, we're adding more. This does hydrate. Holy. I need concealer though. That's a must. A must. You know, I can live without foundation, but concealer, I need that. I know what I'm getting my mom. I'm gonna get my mom Animal Crossing. I've been wanting to get her it for like years. I've been saying it and she's wanted it. Finally gonna get it and I think she'll like it. Plus there's an update coming out in January. So that's why I even picked up the game again. Okay, trust the process. Like I look crazy right now, but I need to actually buy a foundation. I shouldn't just use a concealer. It's not really the proper way, but whatever works. It's so hard not to shop for yourself in the Christmas season. I swear there's so much cute stuff. Is it gonna be that bad if I get like one Christmas thing? I love how I said I was gonna use the new makeup brushes and I'm not using them yet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. You know, when you put too much on. Did the makeup is done. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's fine. It's fine. It took longer than it should have, but it's done, and that's all that matters. I curled the hair. Yeah, also I did my nails this like shiny pink color. Now, it's finally time to show you guys what I got for my birthday. I have been waiting to show you guys what I got. Literally, all the gifts still in the bag. Bentley was like, why did you throw all that out? And I'm like, I didn't throw it out. I'm waiting to film. You guys already seen the salt lamp and then the makeup brush set thing. So I'll show you everything else. So my mom also got me this water bottle. I think this is actually really cute because first of all, the snowflakes are pink. Well, not all of them, but some of them are pink, and I love pink. But this is giving Christmas vibes, and I think this is perfect. Like, just throw some hot chocolate in here, you know, and I feel like it's a vibe. So yeah, love this. My mom knows me so well from my aunt on my stepdad's side. Got me these books. I'm excited to read these. This is a series. There's book 1 and then there's book 2. You know, it has been a struggle to get me to even finish the book that I've been trying to finish for 3 years. 4 years now, actually. Still haven't finished it. I have like maybe like 20 pages left and I still haven't finished it. I have a lot of books to read now. I have a lot of books, not gonna lie. Like, I probably have like 10 books and I still have yet to read them, and it's took me like, I don't know, 3 years, 4 years just to read like one. If I really wanted to, I could finish the book in like a day, but like, you know, I just haven't had that like motivation. I also got a gift card. You already know I spent that. I did end up getting a lot of money for my birthday. My mom also got me these nail polishes. I think these are really cute, and we've already tried this one out and it was really cute. So then my Nana got me, could be to work out in or to go for a run-in. I honestly think this is perfect to go for a run-in. Like, this set is perfect to go for a run-in. And I can't wait for summer for exactly for that reason, because I need to better my health. She also got this, I think what are they called? A vest? I don't know. This would be perfect for fall, I feel like. I also did get that Playboy outfit, but I feel like I already showed you guys throughout this video. That is everything that I got for my birthday.
Got some things I gotta get on my chest. Let me say a couple words to you.